Well, this is Doug at Germain of Sydney. Today we're going to take a look at a 2024 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab. Laramie package is going to give you the big chrome front grille. Also going to give you standard equipment, the front sensors. You can see those there. There's also one here on the side, all the way across the front. This package also gives you the 20-inch wheel. Notice I'll zoom in here. It is a Hemi e-torque. This one's got wheel-to-wheel side steps on it. All painted door handles, you notice. Back of the vehicle, you can see the dual exhaust. See the hitch with the built-in wire harness, the 4-pin and the 7-pin. 4x4 badging on the back. Zoom in here a little bit. You can see the camera that's built into the tailgate handle. Laramie badging on the other corner. Come around here. You notice the Ram insignia. That's really hard to see, but the Ram insignia is built into the taillight. Come around to the front, and you can also see it is built into the headlight too. The Ram insignia says LED right below it. Let's get in the vehicle real quick. So we open this up. On the door, you'll see the memory buttons, and of course your standard windows, locks. Now this one also has the feature of the power folding mirror. So we push this button here, mirrors will automatically fold in. Push it again, and they come back around. But it is a heated leather seat. I'm going to turn down the fan control. Here's a good shot of the dash. The truck's only got 16 miles on it. Lots of different things here in the dash. There's lots of different things that you can see. It shows the tire pressure, shows all the different things inside the vehicle. Lots of different things in there. Then on the steering wheel, there's the buttons for the cruise control. This side has the buttons that'll navigate you through this dash. You can also see the buttons for the Bluetooth, the hands-free phone. Down in this corner, it says gear limit. You can manually shift your gears. Take a look at the radio. That does have the 12-inch radio in it. So that's the biggest radio that they put in these vehicles. Up top here, you see the buttons for the heated seats. That is there. And then come down here, there's a home button. Changes the screen. Built-in navigation. Look at these buttons down here. Turns on, turns off your parking sensors. You also have some charging ports down below. This slides back. This right there, that little tray right there, holds your cell phone. Now there's also a button up top that'll open up the back window. Hit it again, it'll close it. Also see in the seats they have the Ram insignia, or I'm sorry, the Laramie insignia. Dual glove box. Push this, opens that up. Take a look at the back. Guess I forgot to mention that's an all-leather seat. Open this storage container in the floor. That's on both sides, on the driver's side and passenger. Storage underneath the floor. Great vehicle. It's hard to see in here because of the black headliner, but there is speakers. It's got the upgraded sound system in it, so speakers all the way around. If you want some more information on it, again, my name is Doug Koblentz. You can reach me here at the dealership. It's 937-492-8005. My extension is 218. Or you can call my cell phone. It's 937-492. I'm sorry, it's 937-418-4562.